An important update and change with regards to the problem-solving process is to ensure student-centered planning occurs with an emphasis on skill development in needed areas. This includes social emotional learning, behavioral needs, and also academic. The problem-solving process is a collaborative team working together. There is a belief that they can and will support the student by making data-informed decisions that support student success. Teams implement the process through an equitable lens that keeps in mind the student's background and experiences within a restorative frame. From this visual, you can note a key emphasis on collaboration, data-informed practices, a focus on student success, and the collective efficacy of all team members being actively involved in order to support student success. Student-centered planning demands skill development and supports and interventions that include academic, behavioral, and social, emotional needs of students. When we consider the steps of the problem-solving process, we can begin by the problem identification, which is what is the targeted skill of concern, or what is the lagging skill that the student is having difficulty meeting in the moment. We also can do a problem analysis. Why is this behavior occurring? What might be the function of the targeted skill deficit and or lagging skill? And how have trauma-informed, cultural responsive, and restorative practices been addressed? The plan development, which can be used via the problem-solving process template, is focusing on the goals and outcomes for the student, interventions, and also progress monitoring. When we move to plan implementation, it's important that implementation integrity is in place so that interventions are consistently followed through, implemented, supported, and coached by all staff working directly with that student. And finally, a plan evaluation is important. The team wants to ensure that the problem-solving process has been impactful and understand success, as noted on the lagging skills that students are able now to achieve, either via adult support and or graduated fading of prompts or independently.